Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Batocera versus RetroPie. Batocera is a complete, ready-to-play operating system designed for retro gaming, offering a streamlined experience. RetroPie, on the other hand, is a software layer built on top of an existing Linux distribution, providing more flexibility. We'll explore their core differences, helping you decide which platform best suits your retro gaming needs. Both support hundreds of classic systems and offer unique advantages for enthusiasts. Setting up Batocera is generally simpler, as it's a bootable operating system you flash directly to a storage device. This means you're ready to play in just a few steps. RetroPie requires you to first install a base operating system, like Raspberry Pi OS, and then install the RetroPie software on top. This adds a couple of extra steps, but grants more control over the underlying system. When it comes to customization, RetroPie offers significantly more flexibility. Because it runs on a full Linux distribution, users can install additional software, tweak system settings extensively, and even use their device for other tasks. Batocera is more focused, providing a polished, dedicated gaming environment. While it offers some configuration options, its design prioritizes stability and ease of updates over deep system-level modifications. Both platforms deliver excellent performance across a wide array of emulators, from classic 8-bit consoles to more demanding systems, depending on your hardware. Batocera often comes with a broader range of pre-configured drivers for various controllers and hardware, making setup easier. RetroPie allows for fine-tuning performance through manual adjustments. Batocera also supports a slightly wider variety of single-board computers and traditional PC hardware out of the box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.